And with South Korea's parliament voting successfully to impeach President Yoon Suk Yeol, Yoon's presidential powers and duties stand suspended. However, the impeached president vows to fight on as matter now goes to Constitutional Court for review. It is up to 180 days to determine whether to dismiss Yoon as president or restore his powers. Fuzail Ahmed reports for more. South Korean lawmakers on Saturday voted to remove President Yoon Suk Yeol from office for his failed attempt to impose martial law on December 3rd. Out of 300 lawmakers, 204 voted to impeach the president on allegations of insurrection, while 85 voted against. 3 abstained, with 8 votes nullified.
I would like to announce the results of the vote. The motion to impeach President Yoon Suk Yeol received 204 votes in favor and 85 votes against, out of a total of 300 votes cast. With 3 abstentions and 8 invalid votes, I declare it passed.
After the impeachment, South Korean President Yoon will remain in office, but his presidential powers will remain suspended. However, Yoon vowed not to give up.
I will never give up. I will do my best for the country until the last minute, taking reprimand, encouragement and support for me in mind.
So what happens next? The impeachment process moves to the Constitutional Court, where justices will review the case to determine whether Yoon's removal is justified. The court now has up to 180 days to determine whether to dismiss Yoon as the president or restore his powers. If the court upholds the impeachment, Yoon will be removed from office. If he is thrown out of office, a national election to choose his successor must be held within 60 days. If convicted, the leader could face death penalty or life imprisonment. Yoon earlier exercised the presidential privilege of immunity from criminal prosecution. However, that does not extend to allegations of rebellion or treason. Under the Constitution, Prime Minister Han Duck-soo, who was appointed by Yoon, becomes acting president following impeachment.
I will give all my strength and efforts to run this state administration stable during this difficult time.
So who is Prime Minister Han Duck-soo? Han Duck-soo was appointed as Prime Minister after Yoon was elected in 2022. Han has expertise in economy, trade and public affairs and was Prime Minister during the Roh Moo-hyun administration from April 2007 to February 2008. He spent more than 40 years in the public sector, including the Customs Agency, Trade Ministry and Finance Ministry. He also served as an ambassador to the United States. The vote took place as hundreds of thousands took to the streets of Seoul in rival rallies for and against Yoon, who launched a failed attempt to impose martial law on December 3rd. Many celebrated, while Yoon supporters termed it unfortunate. It was the second attempt to impeach Yoon after the first vote was boycotted by his conservative People Power Party. The impeachment came following his short-lived attempt to impose martial law on December 3rd. His move had shocked the nation and split his party. Fuzail Ahmed reporting for DD India.